Kardom everyone, I hope everyone is doing good. Today I'm going to Seemonjir Park, so please join me in. Seemonjir Park is located at Sirkangnep Adarsa, Ward number 4, Diphu, Karbi Anglong, Assam. It is one of the best children park in Diphu, Karbi Anglong. It is a private park and I heard that it is owned by a renowned businessman, Mr. Moniram Hansen. Friends, if you are new to my channel and haven't subscribed my channel yet, please do subscribe, and if you like the video, please like, comment and share. Here comes the entrance of the park. Wow, look at the plants. It's so beautiful and it's very healthy. Look at those white color stool. It is made of log and it's painted as white. Wow, lots of orchids are here. I don't know the name of the orchids, but it's very beautiful. Look at the growth of the roots. Wow, it's so long. Here, all these plants are all orchids. It's one of the most beautiful plants, and all those plants are palm and it's growing very healthy here. Wow, look at these orchids. It's growing in the deadlock. And here comes a lovebird. Wow. 3 lovebirds are here. One is yellow, the other one is blue and white mix, and the third one is green. Now let's look at those flowers. It's very healthy. Wow, look at this pink rose. It's a bicolor rose, pink, light pink and dark pink. Wow, it's an adenium. Lots of adenium are here. This one is also adenium. This one is pink. And this one is not blooming, and I don't know the name of this plant, but I think it's a ficus. Wow, look at the decoration of the garden. It's very beautiful. And all those Erica palm also looks very greenish. Now let's take a look at the pond in a Seemonjir Park. Look at the fish. There are small fish here. This small pond is made of cement. But although it's made of cement, the fish seems like they're enjoying a lot. They really like the pond. And this one is a guinea pig. They look so cute. Now look at the tortoise. It's swimming in this small pond. Bye bye guys. I will meet you in the next episode. Thank you for watching.